how do you get the coins without touching the water?
Okay, how?
This is what you need. You need a glass, carrot, matches, and a plate with water.
With water? Oh, water. Put the coin? To stick.
Water.
This one?
Mistake.
Then?
Look, what's happening? Look at that. Oh, loaded.
Where's the money now? Where's the water go?
Look, there's no water.
Ta-da!
So we get the money.
That's it! Enjoy!